Hello, the internet. Saffron Win here. We are gonna play Bad Dream Coma, and I was watching a certain other YouTuber play this, and they kept resetting every time they would get the bad ending, and I'm like, take your bruises. So this is what we're gonna do. I'ma punch all the birds. All of them. I'm not afraid of that. Punch. Ooh, what's that? Missing nurse. Where is she? Oh, who knows? Oh, I can't reach that one yet. All right, I'll pick those up. And we'll pick that up. This is very similar to what I have seen thus far. Why can't we wake up? I don't know. I'm back. Oh, yeah, I need that. Click, 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 click. Okay. Oh, all right. I'm gonna use that here. Grab that. And we come back here. We use that on the car. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. All right, we do that. Go here and there. That's pleasant. Let's grab that and then key in there, key in there, key in there, and crowbar. Okay. So then that's what we need to get this for the bridge. Okay, and then we come up here and put that there. And then try to go across. Then we get earthquakes. We go back. And oh no, wait. I gotta go back up here yet. Don't it? Let's go over the bridge, shall we? Okay. There's a baby. Oh, we forgot. Almost forgot to punch that bird. Oh, and then they get all gross. Ew. Hi, baby. How are you? Yeah, sorry, I need your stuff. I grab your stuff. I crossed here. I mean, what do you want me to do? There goes my bridge. I go back and get this guy. Hello. Hello. How are you? Is anyone there? Yeah. Hi. It's me. I need help. Okay. Do you have something to drink? Yeah, sure. I'm dying of thirst. Sure, here's a beer. Thank you. Yeah, sure, you're welcome. I have one more request. I've just found these papers. Can you tell me what is on them? Okay. Well, there's a dead bird for one. There's a car, and his trunk is open. And there's some birds in the sky that aren't dead. See, these birds are fine. They're okay. And there's a building here in the backety back. Okay, and a big welcome sign. Yeah. There's some stuff here on the bridge. There's a fishy. Oh, and some bricks. There's some bricks. So I found all the things. Interesting. Is there a dead bird in this drawing? Yes, I believe I told you there was. Yeah. Tell me something about it. Okay. It's dead. It's definitely dead. Dead bird. There's that. Okay, there's some bricks. And There's this thing. There's something with the splooshies. Yeah, there's that. So many tiny little details. Oh, okay, here, there's that. Oh, that thing. Little ushy, whatever that is. Oh, and then right here, the paper. The paper was ripped. It's worse than I thought. Your arrival isn't going to do any good. Oh, okay. Take your crowbar and leave me alone. All right, give me it. Thank you. Okay, can I go now? I go now. Oh, I gotta get there. My stuff back. Oh, I gotta go back and get the plank. Now I got my crowbar back. Okay, there we go. Back up here to the bridge. And go across the bridge. And we fix this. And it breaks anyway. Okay, that's fine. We'll just keep going. Oh yeah, and I know this trick. I saw this trick. So you put the paper clip there and take the coin. Okay. And we continue into Big Bird Monster. He bit my fingers off. All except one. Hi. Hello. Your head is upside down. How are you? Yeah. I unlock things. Okay. Blood on hands. Birds hate you. And a broken doll. Baby smasher. Alright. So then I'm going to end it with chapter 1 here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all laters.